Hey, Christy from Looming Crafty. Today I want to do a little video with you about binding off a double knit scarf. This particularly is a figure 8 double knit scarf, and I'm going to be doing a single crochet bind off with a crochet hook. A lot of people ask me questions about bind offs. They have trouble with them not working well with their projects, and I'm going to do and show you what works for me. If you have another technique that works better for you, that's fine, but I'm just going to tell you what this is what works for me and what I use. So I'm pretending that I've got a scarf done. This is a technique, not a project video. And to get started, my working yarn is up here at my starter peg. So to do this bind off, you need to go to your opposite peg on the other end, and you will need to take that loop off and put it on your crochet hook, so you'll have one loop. Then you go across, and we're going to be working as if when you're wrapping, the path of wrapping the figure 8. This will work with other stitches such as the box stitch and stockinette, those type stitches. Now I've got 3 loops on my crochet hook. I'm going to take this first 2 and pull it over. So I have 1 left now. And one little tip I want to give you before I continue, try to keep your loops at the top of your pegs so you create less tension as you're taking these off. And try to keep your crochet hook level with the head of the inside here, level with your pegs. If you pull up like this, you're going to be pulling those stitches upward and putting tension on them, and it will make this tighter. And you wouldn't think it would make a difference, but it does. So it's really good practice to be as relaxed as possible when you do this, and keep your loops up close to the head of your pegs and your crochet hook down here in between the head of the pegs. So next we're going to take this loop off, because this will be the path of our stitch. And now we have 2 loops on our crochet hook, and we'll take this one off. That will be 3. And then we're going to take these 2, pull them over that one, and we're not hardly using any tension at all. We're trying to keep this as loose as possible. And you just keep this path going up your loom until you get toward your working yarn. Your working yarn was. And you just continue to pull them off. And like this. And see, I'm forming my chain here. I think I did that one a little while ago. I might have done that one backwards. Forgive me if I did. It seemed a little tight. And we just keep working our path, going up, making sure we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the last 2 over the last one we put on our hook. I'm keeping my hook down close to the, I just lost my little loop here. I'm keeping my hook down close to my head of my pegs. And if you lose one, sometimes you may have to put it back on the peg, or you can fish it out. That happens sometimes. And we're just going to keep following our little path here. We're about to the end. Two over 1. See, sometimes this happens, they'll pop off. And you just do a little recovery here. Keeping my hook down and pulling those two over just like that. We recovered just fine. Those two over that one. And those two over that one. And then we'll have one left. Pull it over. Then we're going to cut our working yarn right here. And we're going to pull this out away from the loom. And we're going to take our working yarn. You see our last loop there. We'll put our crochet hook back through it. Pull that working yarn through. Tighten that up. And there you have it. And you can see if I fold it in half, get those working yarn and tail yarns out of the way, it's pretty even. I hope this helps those of you that are having issues with your bind-offs with double knit projects. If you have any comments for me, please leave them in the comment section below, and give me some likes and subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. I'd really appreciate it. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll do some more bind-offs, probably blankets, cowls, what I use for those too. So hopefully this will help some of y'all that have been having issues. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.